Alright, 2013 Chevy Cruze. How to install the serpentine belt. You come underneath, you're gonna have to put a jack right there by the oil drain plug. You see the guy right there? Okay, so you hold the bottom of the engine. Also here. Push it back and then push this. Just pull it out. Now we're gonna remove this, guys. This one. Let's go right here. 15. That one. And this one, 15. There's another 15. It's right there, that one right there. Okay, 50mm socket. Okay. So just to make it more interesting, I'm gonna remove this too. Okay. So I can remove this. Alright. These are gonna be 15 also. Okay, the nut here is 15 also. Here's the thing, I'm gonna clean it because somehow the bell is broke something around here. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna push it that way. Okay. That's a tensioner. So that's how you put the belt. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna push this so it goes down. Push this that way. So it's gonna go down. That's the mechanism. I didn't make it. I'm gonna have more leverage here so I can mount the belt on the pulley. And that's the final product. Alright, that's pretty much it. That's how it goes. Okay, and now we're putting everything back in reverse. Alright, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit destroy, bang the subscribe button. Do the same with the like button. Share this video and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me. I like you, boys. Shout outs to my subscribers. And see you in the next one. I like you, boys. I'm out.